Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to create a YouTube thumbnail in Canva using your computer. So let's dive right in. So your first step would be to simply open up your browser and log on to Canva. So go ahead and open up your browser, make sure you're logged on to Canva. If you do not have an account on Canva, go ahead and create an account. All right, so once you're on Canva, all you need to do is simply click on the create icon at the top left. So go ahead and click on this create here. Once you've clicked on it, go ahead and simply type in what you want to create. You can simply search for YouTube thumbnail. You'll find it here. So go ahead and click on YouTube thumbnail. All right, so Canva is going to create an empty design. It's going to create a blank canvas for you to design on. So once it opens, on the left hand side, simply click on design. So go ahead and click on design, and you're going to see the option to type in or describe what you want. So go ahead and simply type in what kind of thumbnail you're looking for. If it's just a YouTube thumbnail, you could just go ahead and type in YouTube thumbnail. So it's going to be in the suggested. Go ahead and click on this. And now you can find thumbnail designs you can take or use, some of which are paid for using the premium option on Canva, while some are simply free. So if in order to access the premium, you're going to have to buy or purchase Canva Premium, but you could use the free options for your design. Once you select on the paid option, it's going to appear like this on your screen. So once it's here, all you need to do is simply edit this to suit your needs. You could simply remove the character or the layers. You could remove this. If you select this, you could simply delete this from your thumbnail. And now you have a professional, attractive thumbnail design on your screen without having to lift the finger. Now, if you're looking to create your unique thumbnail, you could open up the same canvas, but without, using this template design, and simply use elements, text, brands, some of your uploads like images, to simply include them onto this blank canvas, and then kind of like create your thumbnail. And once you're done, it's going to look something like this. And all you need to do to export this to your computer or your device is click on the share at the top right. Simply click on download from here. Click on download, and then you can select the size you want it. And you can also select the file type. PNG is one of the best. And then simply click on download, and you should have successfully downloaded your file. All right, guys, so that's how you can simply accomplish this. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you.